how to reset your TripIt password. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can reset your TripIt password. To do so, the first step would be for you to launch the TripIt application, just like I've done here, and automatically you will be brought to your Chips page. So once you're on this page, move to the bottom application bar and click on the account icon, which is the last icon on this page. Then by doing that, you will go to your account settings page, right? Then once you're on this page, click on your profile name and your email. And then you'll be brought to your profile detail page. So on this page, you can see personal information, there's the email address. Then for you to change your password, just click on the option change password and then enter in your current password. All right. Then select the new password that you would like to use. You can activate the eye icon so that you can see what you're typing. All right. And then click on change password and your account password will be changed. As you can see, you have successfully changed your password. So click OK and then you'll be asked to sign in with this new password. So go ahead and sign in and you're good to go. So this is how you can change your password or reset your password on TripIt. Thank you for watching and have a good day.